After spending crores on tackling the problem of flooding in the city every single monsoon, the BMC is thinking of trying yet another experiment. It wants to construct holding ponds under footpaths. BMC has already started construction of holding ponds in a couple of chronic flooding spots in the city, like the Hindmata and Milan subways. Holding ponds collect rainwater that drains off these spots. After the deluge of 26 July 2005, BMC undertook a Brihanmumbai stormwater disposal program. Under this, BMC started widening and deepening of nalas and rivers. Also, it constructed 6 mega pumping stations. BMC spent approximately Rs 4,000 crores on this. When the problem of water logging did not end, the BMC started construction of mini pumping stations. After a successful experiment at Bandra, which cost Rs 2 crore, BMC started construction on another one at Gandhi Market, King's Circle, which cost Rs 21.78 crore. At the moment, these mini pumping stations are being constructed at JK Chemical Nala in Sion and at Mahalakshmi and Vadala. At Yellow Gate, there are 4 places where construction work on mini pumping stations is in the final stage. BMC has started construction of holding ponds at St. Xavier's Ground in Parel and at Pramod Mahajan Garden at Dadar to tackle water logging at Hindmata. The cost of this project is over Rs 130 crore. Also, BMC has constructed a holding pond at a cost of Rs 33 crore to tackle the Milan subway flooding. BMC has also spent more than Rs 100 crores on the desilting of rivers and nalas and arranged for dewatering pumps at a cost of Rs 100 crore.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.